The 2025 Paris Air Show wasn't just about shiny jets. It was a defining moment for aviation. Airbus soared while Boeing stumbled, revealing a shifting industry landscape. Airbus secured 268 firm orders from 100. Boeing managed Boeing remains stuck with certification delays and reliability issues across multiple aircraft programs. Getting delays by 40%. Aircraft. Airlines are shifting strategies. United, Delta, and JetBlue increasingly favor Airbus reliability. Airbus evolved into an ecosystem provider with hydrogen-ready platforms and SAF-certified aircraft. Boeing's engineering legacy remains, but they must shift from repair mode to reinvention. The 2025 Paris Air Show was a reckoning. Airbus won the narrative of a cleaner, smarter future. The aviation industry isn't waiting, and neither are airlines or regulators.